more thing. The radio is kind of iffy. So when I turn it on, you can see the antenna rises.
And we know how to adjust on the fly.
So it works,
bring a pencil, not a pen, 'cause
but
colors change everything.
that rear speaker has some static in it. It works on all the functions. Mode. You can hear the air blowing a different place. There's the rear defroster. Temperature up and down. Auto button works. And then the Econ, as you saw earlier, turns off the AC compressor. That switch needs to be replaced. You can open and close it, but it is a little tricky. So now I'll show you the seats. Up and down, back and forth, and then tilts, and then that's for the back. So all those functions work. To do this one, there's the whole seat tilt, forward, backward, up, down, and then the backrest. Or sorry, that's the whole seat. The other one was the backrest. This one has an auto window. Let me turn this fan down. Okay, this one has an auto down driver's window. It does stick a little bit, but it works, so I'll touch it once. And then it's not auto up, so I have to hold it to get it up. There's the passenger window. Probably could use a little bit of lubrication. It's that window and this window. So that one's a little off track. I may have to help this one a little bit. Put that one back in track, so I don't recommend that you use that window until it gets situated. So I'm gonna fix that. Lights work. Let's go around real quick. Show you the lights. The dimmer actually does work. You probably won't be able to see it here. And the cassette player does work too. The rear wiper works. So let's see if we can just see that in the mirror. Well, it did work. So you can see it's squirting water, but for whatever reason it has stopped working. Maybe a fuse. It was just working the other day. Maybe it's not working because that gate ajar light is on. And then this button here to release the rear window, it does work as well. Now the front ones, they work. I think there might be a little something stuck under that one. And then they park when you turn them off. This, I'm not sure. I think that's working too. I think that was one of the options. All right, that should cover everything.